Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Spore Finance coin not showing on Trust Wallet. It's really fast and easy, and if you recently bought a Spore Finance coin and you don't see that, you can easily fix that. Alright, so first what you need to do here is of course to go on Trust Wallet, and on the top right corner there is two little dashes with a circle on it. Right, so just press on it, and then on search just write random letters or numbers. It really doesn't matter, just write until you see no assets found, add a custom token. So press add custom token, and on network make sure you select Binance Smart Chain, because Spore Finance is on Binance Smart Chain. And then go on your browser and go to bctscan.com, look for Spore Finance, and then first what you need to do here is to copy contract ID here and give it a name. So it's Spore Finance, just write, I know, Spore, and that smells is 18. All right, and press save, and now you should see Spore Finance. And also if you bought some Spore Finance, you should see some tokens on here. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.